A change of venue hearing is scheduled today in the AJ Armstrong case. Almost 2 weeks ago, the presiding judge filed a motion to change where this trial will take place.
As we've reported, Armstrong will be tried for the third time in the murder of his parents following 2 mistrials. Brittany Jeffers live downtown outside the courthouse with more on what's expected to happen today. Brittany.
Yes, certainly a lot to discuss here, but we know that at today's hearing, both sides, both the prosecution and the defense, will be given the opportunity, if they choose, to give evidence as to why they do not want this change of venue to take place. Now, we also have some new developments in this. The defense team filing some new motions in this case. We've also learned that there has been some subpoenas that have been issued. So as we reported, Judge Kelly Johnson filed this order nearly 2 weeks ago, stating in court documents that a fair trial could not take place in Harris County. Today, however, both parties will meet and they will have the option of presenting why or why not they would like to see a change of venue, although the defense has made its standings fairly clear. If you look at these new court documents filed by the attorneys representing AJ Armstrong, it says that this defense offers several points here, including their belief that 12 fair and unbiased jurors, they say, can be found in Harris County. That paperwork also states that a change of venue would violate the defendant's equal protection under the 14th Amendment, and it points out other publicized local cases like the David Temple murder case that also remain in Harris County for trial. Now, I did speak with our KPRC2 legal analyst, Brian Weiss. He talked to me about why today's hearing is so rare.
As in every other case I've been involved in or know of, it's one of the parties, the defense or the prosecution, that seeks to change venue. It is a black swan, whatever cliche you want to use, that a trial judge on his or her own motion believes that it's necessary to take any criminal case on the road.
So some other new developments include several elected officials that have been subpoenaed in this case. Court paperwork listed online shows Harris County Judge Lena Hidalgo, Mayor Sylvester Turner, as well as Harris County Sheriff Ed Gonzalez. Those are just some of the names that have been called upon. Now, we do want to point out that the judge today will listen from the arguments on both sides, but ultimately it will be her decision in this case as to whether or not this venue is moved out of Harris County. Again, this hearing taking place in a few hours at 1:30. We will be closely following this and bring you any developments. Live from downtown Houston, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.